Suffering from a continuing drought in southwest Florida and facing high construction costs for a critical reservoir project, AECOM and the Peace River Minnesota Regional Water Supply Authority developed a unique project approach that saved the utility an estimated $10 million in construction costs, yielded approximately 1.5 billion gallons of additional water supply, and eliminated the greatest possibility for off-site environmental impacts during the 18-month reservoir construction project. The authority's main operations center is the Peace River facility, which treats water withdrawn from the Peace River. Growing needs in the region drove the utility to double its treatment capacity from 24 to 48 million gallons per day and to construct a new 6 billion gallon off-stream reservoir. This $171 million reservoir construction project was the largest of its kind ever built in the region. To build the new reservoir, 800 acres of improved pasture, palmetto prairie, and shallow herbaceous wetlands would be disturbed. Significant volumes of surface water were expected from stormwater runoff, and groundwater seepage collected by an extensive, shallow-rim ditch system would need to be pumped continuously out to keep the reservoir site dry enough to be workable. The large site required continuous dewatering for 16 months, with dewatering volumes approaching 10 million gallons a day during the peak rainy season. Project team members tackled the challenge of managing stormwater runoff with such a large site in a manner to avoid environmental impacts and possible construction halts from excessively wet conditions. However, Southwest Florida was undergoing an extensive drought that was taxing both surface and groundwater systems alike, and every possible water source was being considered. Recovery of this stormwater by treating it in the water plant became the best option. This project reflects a successful conglomeration of ingenuity, innovative planning, and hard work of many dedicated engineers, regulatory personnel, and most importantly, operations staff who tirelessly overcame the difficulties with implementing this project.